Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is May 22nd, 2024 and the dahlias here that I had got, they are beautiful. We're going to be cutting some from these. I have my water here. I already made this warm. One thing with dahlias, to have them last longer, you want to dip them in hot water. So about 160 to 180 for the temperature. And this has already been made hot. Some say about using boiling water. This was boiling, but because I had to bring it around, I'm sure it's cooled down by now. So we're going to cut these here. Cut this right here. There we go. I'm going to cut this stem on a 45. Let me take these leaves off here real quick. Okay. I'm going to cut this stem on a 45-degree angle. We're going to plunge it right into our water here. Now one thing with this steam is going to come up through here. So you don't want your stuff packed in real tight. You want to let some air space. And that's going to allow that your petals don't get damaged by the heat. Cut this one here. Let's see here. Cut this one right here. Don't need a very long stem for this one here for what I'm going to use it for. Beautiful flower. Take these leaves off here. Was damaged. Just lay that in the bucket there. Okay. Cut 45-degree angle. Plunge it in our water here. And we're going to cut this one right here. That's the right height that I need. And this is going to branch off then. So this is going to come up. The blooms are going to be on here. These tips here. This is going to have blooms. This one back here is going to have blooms. This here is going to have blooms. The rest of this is going to branch off. And that's going to give a lot more blooms on these. So, 45-degree angle. Take the leaves off here. I want some of those leaves left on there, providing they're not going to be in my vase when I do that. So these are going to sit for a minimum of an hour in this. So this will seal these off, and we'll be able to work with them then. For our arrangements, I have some beautiful flowers that I cut earlier today, and I'm going to be coming back with a video showing how to do an arrangement with these. You do want to cut these in the cool of the day. You want to make sure that your plants are not water stressed when you cut them, and that you have your water already prepared so you can just put them in there. You can put some plant food in with this when you do these. I didn't have any right now, but you don't have to put it in if you don't have it or if you don't want to. So this is pretty warm, actually. It's pretty warm. Okay. So, it's been about 3 days now that the dahlias that I cut have been in water, and I am going to do some arrangements with them, but they are holding up very nicely and very well. So I just want to come back with this quick update for how these did. Now mine are opening. Mine have opened more since I have cut them, so I just want to let you know that. So please stay tuned for the arrangements that are going to be coming up in some different videos that I'm going to be having coming up. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells you to put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!